digital marketing. Have you heard the word digital marketing but still confused about what it really is? Let me simplify it for you. Whenever we promote any product or service online through platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Google, that is called digital marketing. It includes things like social media marketing, search engine optimization, paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and content creation. And best part, you don't need a big office for this. With just a laptop or even a phone, you can start building your business on career right from home.
I am Antim Patidar and I'll be sharing simple digital marketing tips with you to help your business grow online.
Which part of digital marketing do you find most interesting? Comment below and don't forget to follow me for more digital tips.